Hello farmers, today we are in Lusaka East in Zambia, where we are seeing seed genetics that are now at physiological maturity and now drying down, and they'll be checking on the moisture content just before harvesting in the first week of April. So I'm joined by Mr. Paul, who in this case is a guy who is managing this particular crop. He's going to tell us about the variety that is holding on this end of the field. They planted SC419 and a very early maturing maize hybrid, which is a blockbuster, as you can see. Earliness doesn't always mean that you're getting lower yields. It means you just need to optimize, and it will give you returns in a shorter time frame. And here on this other end, I'm joined by Dennson, a seasoned agronomist here in Zambia, and he's holding a full cob of SC555. It's plumb, it's long, and it has deep-seated kernels. So let's hear first from Mr. Paul. When they planted, just generally, both varieties. When did you plant both varieties, Mr. Paul?
Okay, this is 419. So this one was planted on the 6th. We started from this side, going this side.
Okay.
Yeah.
On the 6th of
6th
November?
of November, yes.
Okay.
And then this one is 555. This one was planted 2 days later. That was on the 8th of November.
Okay.
So
what?
24.
Nice. So what are you seeing? What are you liking? What is your feedback to other farmers out there who might be considering this very early and early maturing variety?
Yeah, for us, like the farmers who into also crop rotation, like you have seen, we have this crop almost ready. We are already planning to plant also wheat and potatoes. So these varieties are really amazing, and I don't think we can go for any other variety that can compete with these.
Lovely.
Sure.
So, Mr. Dennson, please tell us the varieties that you are recommending, particularly looking at the area where we are in Lusaka East, maybe just in Zambia, some of the recommendations of the variety, and speak especially to the very early and early maturing variety.
Okay, so EnviroFlow, where we are in Lusaka East, has been our customer for quite a while now. And looking at their planting cycle, they usually go in with potatoes and wheat, like Mr. Paul has mentioned. So these two varieties are the ones that we recommended so that they can have a quick time between the time that they plant and as well as the time that they harvest, so that they can come in with wheat. We recommended these two varieties, SC555 and SC419 for them. Firstly, because they are basically side by side, so they are able to actually see the benefit that they can get from these two varieties in terms of yield. And if they so choose, they can actually choose maybe 555 or SC419. So this basically just entails that we've given them that advantage of coming in with early planting of their wheat, but also we've given them an advantage of the yield that they can get from the two varieties, because they are both high yielders and very good at tolerance with drought. As we know, definitely with climate change, we've had issues of the dams running low on water, as well as low rainfall. But these two varieties are quite tolerant on that, and it gives them that advantage and the yield.
Thank you so much. So this speaks to climate smart varieties that the 85-year-old seed giant Seedco International is availing to our farmers in a bid to meet them at their point of need, be it their cropping program, be it as well in terms of their rotation plan. As you heard from Mr. Paul, we are here to serve, because it does start with the right seed.